Okay, so a few things here before we send it to the client. So first, the logo. This is his, let's call it third version of the logo. So we need to go with this one, which is his primary logo. So this one needs to be used here with the gray, blue, and white. Just gray and blue, I mean. Okay, so that's one. Second, can these feature neighborhoods be a little bit bigger and from side to side, like a real option 4, not the same one. So when we go to the communities, this is option 4. And the way these are set it up, they look like this one. So please, if you can just make this section a little bit more like the design he selected here. This is good, but why this is small? So this needs to be the same button, even though this is a short tagline. It can be in the middle, but the button needs to be the same size as this button. So all the buttons needs to be the same size. These and this are good. These two are not. This is good. This is good. Regarding the contact, let's do it differently. So let's have this maybe in gray with white or with blue with gray. Like this, it doesn't fit with all the website colors. And instead of call, please have sell. Okay, that should be the changes. Thank you, and let me know when you finish.